Hi guys, so recently I bought this media mode for my GoPro Hero 8 Black. I wanted to improve the audio quality, so I thought let's buy this media mode. Should you buy the media mode? Let's find out. In this video we are going to test and compare 3 audio setups for GoPro Hero 8 Black. Number 1, audio quality of inbuilt microphone of GoPro Hero 8, and number 2, audio quality of media mode, and number 3, we are going to use external microphone with the help of media mode. So let's find out. I have shot this video in 3 different places. Number 1, I went at the shopping mall, and I went first outside of the shopping mall. There was so much background noise, so I shot there and I tested the inbuilt microphone, then the media mode, and then external microphone. And then I came inside the shopping mall. Inside also there was background noise, and I shot there as well. And then I came back to the room, and in the room I shot when it was midnight and there was no background noise. I switched off everything, fan, AC and freeze, everything. After watching this video, you will have the proper idea that how your inbuilt microphone is going to sound and how your media mode is going to sound, and if you use external microphone, then how your audio is going to be. I hope it will help you. And this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 inbuilt microphone. I'm using the front microphone. I hope you can see the difference. Right now I'm outside and there is lots of background noise. GoPro Hero 8 inbuilt microphone. And this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 media mode. Right now I'm using this front microphone, and I'm outside and you can see there is lots of background noise. I hope you can see the difference in the audio. GoPro Hero 8 media mode. Okay, so this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 with the media mode, and I'm using external microphone which is Boya BY-MM1. Right now I'm outside, and I hope you can see the difference in the audio. GoPro Hero 8 media mode with the external microphone. And this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 inbuilt microphone. Right now I'm in the mall, and I'm wearing the mask as well, and I hope you can see the difference in the audio quality. Okay, so this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 media mode. I'm right now in the mall, and there is a lots of background noise in the mall. I hope you can see the difference in the audio quality. Okay guys, so this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 with media mode and using external microphone which is Boya BY-MM1, and I'm wearing the mask as well. I hope you can see the difference in the audio. This is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 inbuilt microphone, and I'm using the front microphone. GoPro Hero 8 inbuilt microphone, front microphone. Okay, so this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 media mode. I'm using front microphone. Yes, GoPro Hero 8 media mode, front microphone. Okay, so this is the audio test of GoPro Hero 8 along with the media mode, and I'm using external microphone which is Boya BY-MM1. Yes, external microphone Boya BY-MM1 on GoPro Hero 8 along with the media mode. After testing the audios, I would say inbuilt microphone of GoPro Hero 8 is pretty good. It is very close to external microphone. So why did I buy the media mode? Well, I wanted to improve the audio quality, and right now I have the basic Boya BY-MM1, and in future I might buy the better one. I bought this media mode so that I can use the external microphone, and as you know, you can use media mode for screen mode and for the light mode as well in future if you want to buy, but I don't need that one. So for me, I only bought this media mode just so that I can use the external microphone. So that's it. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to post more such videos in future. So thank you very much for now.